Hi, I'm Brian McInnes from New York City, HarmonicaLessonsNYC.com, blues harp teacher at earthlink.net, BLUESHARP teacher at earthlink.net. I teach live video lessons with Skype, Zoom, or Facetime. This particular song was called Drowsy Maggie. It's a traditional Irish song. I have a repertoire of dozens and dozens of Irish and traditional songs, but I also play very much in the Chicago blues style, or I could certainly play and teach in any style on the harmonica. I also teach chromatic harmonica. If you're interested in studying with me, please give me an email. My information is down below in the description. Thank you very much.